You could not live with your own failure. Where did that bring you? Back to me.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. I know, I say it every time. I don't know why I've been gone. Yeah, been doing a lot. Different setup. I don't know if you can really tell. I couldn't really get the shoes in the order that I remember, or that, I don't know. I switched setups. I'm in a new crib, so kind of looks all different behind me and stuff. But you guys have seen, hopefully by now, you've seen the sneaker collection video and the kind of room tour that I had set up. So hopefully get that set up in here for a little bigger space now. I wanted to make this video because usually every time there's like a drop that people want, they start hitting me up and they either one, ask if I can get them for them, which I can, or they ask how they can get them themselves, the cheaper option. And so I always have a problem suggesting sneakers because I just know I'm gonna tell you to go to the sneakers app on Saturday when the Mocha ones release on Halloween. You're gonna try and you're most likely gonna get a sold out message. That app is just, it's ridiculous. And I don't even want to talk about it. You gonna really make me mad. You gonna make me mad, so I ain't even go. I'ma chill. But yeah, I try to suggest the sneakers app, then you don't hit. You come back to me like, yo, what happened? And bro, I'm really gonna tell you, like, your one account is not enough. Like, even if you got your girl, cause that's what I do. I tell my girl to go on there, try. She don't cop. I don't know what she be doing. No, she don't cop. My sister don't cop. And I got 6 accounts. It don't work. Because some people are really on there with like 1,000 accounts. So your one account, your 2 accounts is not going to hit. But people always ask me for different tips, different things. To be honest, I think sneakers is one of the weirdest things ever, because I promise you I've tried for at least 200 shoes and the success rate is really bad. Like, it's different. It's bad. So for tips, it's hard with sneakers because there's not really good tips. Nike is a billion trillion dollar operation. They are not letting you just straight up bot the thing. So I can't really recommend you go buy a bot then try to hit, because that may not work for you either. Like, so you may spend a lot of money on a bot that doesn't work. They spend a lot of money protecting against that type of thing. It's hard to have multiple accounts because the shoe's gonna sell out in a minute. So you can't be flipping through accounts, logging out, logging in. I know some people have had success with maybe having 2 emails, 2 accounts, and you have one on your computer, one on your phone, and you just try to bang, 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 get different cards, and you just try to see if you can go through that way. I do like going through a desktop and on my computer if I have the time, if it's not like a shock drop and I just gotta pull it up on my phone. But definitely I like being logged in on a computer. It just seems like the internet, everything goes through a lot smoother than it does just straight up off your phone. Use Apple Pay as much as possible for sneakers. The only success I've really had recently is not using my PayPal that's connected, is using Apple Pay. That's the most success I've had with sneakers. And yeah, I'm sorry. You just not gonna hit, man. I don't know what to tell you. I really don't. I really don't. Nike is playing. I'm thinking about getting a new account because I don't even want to show you what the last thing I hit on my main sneakers account is. I'm thinking about getting a new account, starting fresh, because I don't get no exclusive access. I don't get nothing. I don't know, they got me banned or something. This is ridiculous.
It's ridiculous.
It's obvious what's being done out here. It's on a nightly basis. I hope the world can see now what's really going on out here, because it's getting ridiculous. It's really ridiculous. Yes, man. This is ridiculous, man. Ridiculous.
I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. Yeah. So, Mark Kicks, new setup. Go cop a shirt. Come on, we gotta afford something. I don't know. Do something. Cop a shirt. Go to markhicks.com. Go to the merch. Do what you need to do. We gonna holla at y'all boys. And good luck this weekend, because I know you're trying for them ones. Good luck. Good luck.